everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Servpro.net. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the search box, type in sign up, Servpro and search. You'll be able to see at the top there is a link that says register/Servpro ready plan. Click that on in order to end up in the register page for Servpro. Start by entering your first name in the first text field and then head over to the next one and type in your last name. Now enter your mobile number in the text box where it says mobile number, and on the next field enter a valid email address that you have access to. After you do so, head over to the password box, type in the new password that you'd like to create for this account. In the confirm password text field, retype in the password one more time. You can double check the password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner of the box. If you want to be contacted by Servpro to learn more about the readiness, then you can click on this box right here. But if you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked. Finally, click on the Create My Profile button and you'll be able to create an account for yourself. In the pop-up that appears, confirm your information by clicking on Yes, and you'll be able to create an account for yourself. Click on the sign in button after entering your credentials, and that is it. There you have a brand new account for yourself on Servpro. With a Servpro account, you can help yourself recover from disasters like water damage, fire, mold and storm damages around your home. Create a new emergency ready profile for yourself and you'll be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.